Hey, it's Maryam. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a fun one. I wanted to talk about Sephora's Favorites Hello set. I have the November set here. The Sephora Favorites Hello is priced at $10, and for $10 you get 6 sample sizes, some of the most amazing products that they have at Sephora. I'm going to show you what's in here. If you want to, you can give this as a gift to a friend or family, or if you have a daughter who's starting to play around with makeup, you can gift this to your daughter. It's a really good way of discovering new products if you haven't tried some of the products that are in here. And it comes with a coupon that you can put towards a full size of the products that are inside this bag. And each product has its own individual code that you can use to buy a full size of it. By the way, this bag is recyclable. You can reuse it for other things. I have actually used it to travel and put some products, like if I have liquid that I'm traveling with or something like that, I like putting it in a bag like this because I know it'll be secure. I'm a Sephora Squad member, and this video is in partnership with Sephora. So I want to thank them for partnering up with me for this video. And in the description box, I have included a link. Before this set sells out, check out the link and get your own, because they're very popular and they do sell out, especially right now that it's close to the holidays. It makes a great gift for your friends and family, and so definitely check it out. Let's get to this video. I'm going to show you what's in this bag. It Cosmetics Lash Blowout Mascara was in this bag, and it's a great mascara. I actually have a full size of this mascara and I use it. I love it. If you like curling your lashes, it really holds the curl in place, and it lengthens and volumizes the lashes really nicely, and you don't get any flakes or anything with this mascara. I really love it, so I'm super excited to have it in this bag this month. This is the bareMinerals Gen Nude Blush, and the shade is Call My Blush. Today I don't have any blush on. I want to put some blush on my cheeks. If you're not really into really dark blushes and you just want a nice wash of color, this is perfect for you. And I really like it because you can build it up. So you can build up the color. You can't really overdo it with this blush, which is great. Look, it just brings life to the skin. I love blushes so much. Perfumes are my favorite thing in the world. And I actually collect sample size perfumes too, because I love discovering new scents. And so I really appreciate that Sephora puts sample size perfumes in the set too. This is Sol de Janeiro Cheirosa 62 Eau de Perfume. I definitely smell vanilla and jasmine in there. It's very fresh summer scent. It's very beautiful. Next product in here, First Aid Beauty. It's the Pharma Nourish Relief and Rescue Mask. I've used this before and I have a full size of it. It is absolutely hydrating. It relieves dryness on the skin. It's definitely one of those masks that you have to try if you have dry skin. After you cleanse your face, you can put on this mask all over the skin, and then you leave it on for a few minutes and then tissue it off. And it's just gonna leave your skin soft, nourished. It's just amazing. Okay, so the next product is by Sephora. It's the Sephora Collection Ultra Glow Serum, Glow Plus Strengthen Vitamin C Serum. I wear vitamin C serum every day before I put on sunblock and everything. This would be your lightest skincare to put on. So you put on the vitamin C first, and then you put on the heavier creams and your sunblock before you start your day. And this would be one of the first things you put on your face after you cleanse your skin in the morning. The next product is by Tarte. This is the Sea Jelly Glaze Anytime Lip Mask. I love using lip masks at night, especially because I just like to wake up with hydrated lips, especially when I put makeup on and lipstick on a lot during the day. I like to have hydrated lips. And if you live in a very cold climate, you know how useful it is to use some sort of hydrating lip mask and taking care of your lips. So this is definitely a good time to have one of these in this Hello set, because it's gonna come in handy. And I haven't used this one before, so it's new to me and I'm excited to try it. Thanks so much for watching my unboxing of the Sephora Favorites Hello sample set. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check out the link in the description box to get your hands on this Hello sample set because it is going to sell out. Like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out my future videos. Thank you so much. Stay healthy, stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.